Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video. The given question is evaluate the following: 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Again guys, this question is a very simple one. Just we need to put down the values from the table, trigonometric table. So let me first of all write down the question here on the board so that we can start solving this one. The given question is 5 cos square 60 degree, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Okay, so as usual, let us first of all find out the values for this. Cos 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2 from the table only. Similarly, sec 30 degree is nothing but 1 by cos 30 degree. Okay, so this one is 1 by, we very well know that cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So I can write this one as 1 into 2 by root 3, that is equal to 2 by root 3. Similarly, we got sec 30 degree. Now tan 45 degree is nothing but 1, but how can we get the result? Like sin 45 degree by cos 45 degree, that is equal to 1, because sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree, if you solve 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1, we will get this one as 1. Similarly, sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2, and cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Now let us put down the values here in this table. So we have 5 cos square 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. So I can write that one as 5 1 by 2 square plus 4 sec square 30 degree. Sec 30 degree is 2 root 3. So I can write 4 into 2 by root 3 square minus tan square 45 degree. That means 1 square, because tan 45 degree is 1. So we got 5 1 by 2 square plus 4 2 by root 3 square minus 1 square. Then we have sin square 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. I can write 1 by 2 square plus cos square 30 degree. Cos square 30 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2 square. Okay. Now let us solve this one. 5 1 by 2 square. So 1 by 2 square is nothing but 5 into 1 by 4. 5 into 1 by 4 plus 2 root 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 is nothing but, I can write 4 into 2 to the 4 by 3 minus 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 by 2 square is nothing but 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 4. Root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4. So this is what we got now. Now after solving that one, we will get 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1. Okay, by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 4, that is equal to, we will get 4 by 4 is 1. So this one I can write is 4 by 4 is nothing but it is 1. So this is what I can write, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by 1. That means we are ultimately left with we need to solve is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. So we need to solve this one, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. Let us solve that one. So we have 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1, taking LCM as 3, I can write 16 minus 3 by 3. Okay guys, So that is nothing but 5 by 4 plus 13 by 3. Okay, that is equal to, if we solve that one, what we will get? 5 by 4 plus 13 by 3. Taking LCM as 12, I can write, taking LCM as 12, we can write that one as, just doing cross multiplication, then that means 5 3s are 15 plus 13 into 4 is nothing but 52 by 12. That is equal to 67 upon 12. Guys, that is our answer. Our answer is 67 upon 12. So guys, if you solve this question, 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree upon sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree, we will get 67 upon 12. Hope guys you understood this calculation. This calculation is really easy, but we need to, it will take a little bit lengthy, because we need to put down the figures one by one, and then ultimately or automatically our calculations will flow. But still guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.